Ever encountered a massive inventory list that seems impossible to navigate? Well, today, dive into a solution that will transform the way you manage your inventory, creating a product search template using Excel's filter and search functions. Begin by opening a new Excel workbook. In the first row, list out all the necessary inventory details. These might include product ID, product name, category, quantity, etc. Remember, this row will serve as the headers for your information. Next, fill in the inventory details row by row under the appropriate headers. Keep the information concise and accurate. This data will form the backbone of your search template. Once you've filled in your inventory data, it's time to harness the power of Excel's filter function. Click on the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Filter. This will add small drop-down arrows next to each of your headers. Now, if you click on these arrows, you'll see a list of all the unique entries in that column. You can select or deselect these to filter your inventory list based on your preferences. For example, you might want to see only the products in a specific category or products that are running low in quantity. But what if you need to find a specific product quickly? That's where Excel's search function comes into play. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the Find dialog box. Type in your search term and hit Find Next. Excel will highlight the first cell that matches your search term, and there you have it. You've created an inventory product search template using Excel's filter and search functions. No more sifting through endless rows and columns. Just quick, efficient inventory management at your fingertips. To summarize, start by setting up your inventory data in an Excel workbook. Use the filter function to sort and filter your data based on your needs. Use the search function to quickly locate specific products. Remember, the more accurate and comprehensive your data, the more effective your search template will be. So take the time to input your inventory details correctly, and you'll reap the rewards in the long run. Thank you for tuning in today. For more handy tutorials and tips, visit Ariellis Arts web services at www.ariellisarts.wordpress.com. Stay organized, stay efficient, and keep exploring the power of Excel.